I just wish all the negative people would just stay away from me. But these negative bald-headed people come in so many shapes, sizes, and colors. Dun, 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 dun.
I was riding around in a V12 with the rags in the middle. Had to pray to Almighty God, they let my dog out the kennel. When you get it straight up by the mud, you can't imagine this shit.
Real ass trick, got a girl for a lick. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I'm looking sexy but stressed. I'm looking stressed, I'm looking depressed. So today's video, I'm gonna get ready with y'all. Basically, I'm gonna go from this to this in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't know. Okay, honey? But yeah, I have been having a very stressful weekend. You know, being an entrepreneur is very hard. Like, oh my god, girl, like I don't even know if I have any edges left under this wig, because I've been stressing, I've been depressing. I took a fresh shower, got my brassiere on. YouTube, do not demonetize me because I need money for a new wig, okay? But feet done, nails done, everything did. So first I'm gonna start off by curling my hair. This hair is my hair, 100% African. This is not that big, so I need to do it like that. But yeah, I got this curling one from the beauty supply store, and yeah, I'm just doing my signature curls. Ooh, there we go, there we go. So basically curling this whole damn head of hair, okay? But while I'm getting ready, we're going to get, why I keep curling it at the end, dang. Ever just felt like, yo, I'm so goddamn over life. Like, girl, I'm depressed, I'm stressed, and I am losing my edges. Like, I don't know, I get to those points in my life where I'm like, wow, I've been working the hell out of myself, so hard on myself. You know, I just really want to succeed. I really don't want to take no breaks. Deodorant, don't ask me, I'm not finna wipe that off. I can just be so hard on myself, and you know, just be so hard on yourself. You just working, overworking yourself, like don't want to slack off. Like, I have specific goals for myself and I want to reach them, but I also have to notice that I'm human. You know, I get tired, you know, shit happens. I can't overwork myself all the freaking time. And plus, being an entrepreneur is freaking so stressful, because sometimes you might not even feel like you're doing a lot. It's crazy, but like being your own boss, sometimes you might not feel like you're doing a lot. You're like, you don't know what's a lot, what's not a lot. Sometimes it gets like that because, you know, you just want to be the best you can. But honestly, I'm so proud of all the accomplishments that I have made this year. This year is about to end, and I have so much more to do, and I'm just really proud of myself that I came this far, guys. Like, always take freaking risks. Oh my god, always take risks. If I didn't take risks, girl, honey, I just will not be where I am today. Like, entrepreneur, it comes to like, oh my god, you know, sometimes it's really annoying when you have a set plan for yourself and then the wrong negative bald-headed people just come in your life at the wrong time. And it's like, hold on, who told your bald-headed ass to come in my life and fuck me up? You know, it just be those type of people that come in your life who act all nice, who act, you know, like they're here to do a good deed for you, and then they switch up, they be fake, they give you negative energy, and it just distracts you from your goal, and now you're dealing with toxic people that'll kick toxic people out. It happens, girl. Like, I just wish all the negative people would just stay away from me. But these negative bald-headed people come in so many shapes, sizes, and colors, and ugh, it's just disgusting. Like, I just dealt with so much toxic people, so much fake people who claim that they want to be in my life for all the good reasons. That goes as far as relationships, friends, family, all that different type of stuff. These curls looking a little bit tired, girl. Consistency. I cannot take inconsistent people. People will come in your life when it's beneficial to them, especially if you're an upcoming successful entrepreneur. They will come in your life only when it's beneficial to them. And it's like, oh, no, baby. Step back. Rewind it back. And let me see you get the hell out of here. Like, no, you better get your bald-head self out of here. Like, y'all, look out for those people who only hit you up when it's beneficial to them. Who only hit you up when they want to ask you something. Hey, y'all, so I'm like, are these curls okay? I mean, these are cute. I literally have so much different type of curls, but I don't want to brush them out though. I kind of want to keep them like this. So I'm gonna do the half of this hair. As y'all can see, I do these curls very fast. I can see all this hair. I ain't got time for this. Yeah, and I'm gonna do the rest of this hair off camera. Okay, so I quickly curled up this hair. I didn't really want any curls that's like, oh my god, so crazy, because I'm honestly not in that type of mood. So what I'm just gonna do is like gently brush them out a little bit. Now I'm gonna be taking some Motion Smooth and just laying the top of this wig down. I freshly washed this wig and everything today, so this should be good. I don't know, but yeah, y'all, I really just feel like I have to give myself a makeover because I just been working, you know, regular degler schmegler entrepreneur stuff, and I haven't really took the time out to look like a baddie, to feel like a baddie, you know. So I needed this like mini makeover kind of thing. Probably about 10 more squeezes of mousse like that. I like my hair to like be very sleek, be very sexy, so applying mousse does the job. Very sleek, very sexy, very fresh perm. And I'm gonna apply some to the rest of the hair because just the top of my hair can be shiny, girl. Just the top of my hair cannot be shiny. Play around with it a little bit, you know. Okay, woo, so we are giving the girls very sleek back, very shiny, very wavy, very delicate, very do not touch my hair. Okay, don't have like a regular scarf to lay down my hair. I have a do-rag, so let's use this do-rag. I already put my makeup on. I put my foundation, concealer, and a little bit of powder. I'm gonna just add some more powder. I don't bake my powder, I just put it on. So this is the black opal powder. Put a little bit on the top, and then I just dip in, blow it off, and put it in. My face was looking kind of matte, not matte. It was looking kind of shiny, which is like really rare because I had dry skin. But let's just matte her up on a little bit more. Pat, pat, pat. And I'm thinking, should I contour today? I don't, like, guys, I really don't do no crazy makeup styles anymore. I'm not really into wearing like full face of makeup anymore. I don't know. So don't have a contour palette. I just have James Charles palette. I need to go makeup shopping, like chisel my fat cheeks. Y'all, you know what's a fun fact? My favorite thing about myself is my cheeks. My little chipmunk cheeks. If I didn't have these chipmunk cheeks, I would just like I don't know, like I love that about myself. Like my chipmunk cheeks, it's so cute. Like my kids are gonna come out so cute, like, but that's enough contour. It looks more like a blush. Oh, this do-rag hurting my Oh my god, that do-rag is too tight. Y'all, if y'all want to make somebody's head explode, literally put a do-rag on to the tightest you can. My head felt like it was about to explode. I have a special promo today. So as you guys know, I do $10 YouTube product promos on my website. So if you want to promote your product, you can send me lip gloss, eyelashes, clothing, hair, stuff like that, and I will be featuring it in one of my upcoming videos. So these lashes is from a company called Bomb Lashes Only. She sent me these lashes in the lash style Alexi. Super cute, super fluffy, and on here it says she is as bold as her lashes. That's a fact. And yeah, I'm gonna put these lashes on and I'll be right back. Stop playing with me. Your ass late to class. I look like somebody's sexy mama. But lashes are on. Her Bomb Lashes. Thank you. Make sure you check her out, guys. Y'all, I haven't worn 25 mm lashes in so long. But yeah, so also we have another promo that is from the Doll Boutique. They sent me this gorgeous lime green dress, and let's put it on. So this is a dress that they sent me. So poppin'. It's literally so windy outside because I live in New York, so I cannot go outside like this. But this is a gorgeous dress, a nice dress. If I'm going to the club, I just feel so. I guess that's how I feel, bitch. So yeah, make sure you check out these amazing companies that I mentioned in this video. And girl, if you're stressing, if you're depressing, if you see your edges disappearing, get dolled up and just take some nice pictures. Put on your favorite lashes, do your hair up a little bit, and just feel beautiful. Okay, honestly, a makeover really turns any bad situation to a good one. Like, I just feel so much better. I just feel like that bitch that I am. But yeah, I love you doggies all so much. If you want more videos like this, make sure you like and make sure you comment down for more. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.